You look just...
What?
Tell me, Kakarot. What have you been...
Huh? Who are you?
You've got... You're not... You were born, and that's not...
You're lying!
Long ago, you were sent to this path. We say so that we can... Weeks and fortune.
Wait, what about the moon?
Don't play dumb with... We Saiyans release our true power whenever there's a full moon.
I don't know what you're talking... You know, my name's Sun...
Because... include just the other three of us. And that's the planet... Come on!
Just shut up!
That little runt with the tail behind you is your kid, right?
Huh?
Come any closer and I'll knock you sky high! Gohan's not going in! What the hell's with this guy?
What's wrong? You scared?
You're not my brother! You're nothing to me!
Yeah, go on, get out of here! Kakarot, don't turn your back on your family! Your people! What the hell happened to your tail?
I had it cut off a long time ago!
You fool! Why would you do that?
Rock, paper, scissors!
And do you know what? This planet isn't half bad. I think it could serve as our next target. The three of us Saiyans should be able to rid this place of its dead weight in just 1 month.
I'm not gonna let that happen!
Your kid's in real trouble if this is the best you can do.
What?
Don't worry, Kakarot. I'll make sure to take good care of the boy. If you want him back, then you better do as your big brother says.
Give him back!
And don't even think about trying to be a hero.
No! No! Bulma, you still got that dragon radar?
Oh, I get it! That decoration on Gohan's hat was a Dragon Ball!
All right, I'm off. It's now or never.
You're as good as dead on your own.
Piccolo!
Neither of us has what it takes to face him head on. At least if we tried on our own. But together, if we were to team up, we just might be able to take him down.
Yeah, you're probably right. But can I really trust you? What's your angle in all this?
Don't get the wrong idea. It isn't that I care in the slightest about your little kid or the Earth. That fool is the only thing standing between me and world domination. The moment he and his cronies are out of the picture, I'd finally rid myself of you. Then the world will be mine for the taking.
You're crazy if you think I'm about to let that happen. But for now, I guess we gotta join forces. Guess there's really no getting around that.
Precisely.
All right!
Hey!
Huh?
Give me a break.
Hey!
Yeah, flying them. Hold tight, Gohan, we're coming.
Earth's Dream Team to the rescue.
Gohan, just a little longer.
Goku, get a move on. Quit messing around.
Whoa! There's a village here? I can tell this thing's got lots of energy.
Woohoo! Nice weather. You really don't recall anything about the Saiyans that Raditz clown was going on about?
Nope, none of it rings a bell. It's crazy. I had no idea I had an older brother either.
I was hoping to milk some useful information out of you for our fight.
That bridge is massive! His tail's probably his weak point. If we can squeeze his tail, he should be vulnerable. That's what happened whenever mine got grabbed.
How are we supposed to grab his tail?
Might cause some trouble later. Best to deal with this now. We're closing in on him. Let's head down and move in for the attack. Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Rock, paper, scissors!
Disadvantage!
Here goes! You're done already? There he is! Look!
Time to land.
A power level of 710. Where the hell? Kakarot's kid? No way! Damn, this thing must be busted! What? Another reading? And it's heading straight for me! There's one. Oh, there's two. They've come. So, what brings you chumps here?
Isn't it obvious? I'm here to get my son back. Where is he? You're hiding him somewhere, aren't you?
His screaming was giving me a headache, so I locked him up in there. But forget about the runt. Don't tell me you actually think you stand a chance against you, fool! You're not even fit to call yourself a Saiyan! Prepare to die!
You know, believe it or not, battles aren't just about strength. Oh, that gives me an idea.
You're pretty arrogant, scum!
Disarmed it!
Like this!
Disarmed it!
No way!
Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Rock, paper, scissors!
Disarmed it!
Try this!
There goes! Man, he's fast.
Attacking in the blink of an eye.
If this is the best you can do, then you can just forget about joining us. You're nothing but a distraction.
Disarmed it!
Here goes! My power! Like this!
No way!
Disarmed it!
Try this! Like this! Here goes! This! Here goes!
This game ends now. Even with your combined power, you're still pathetic. But considering you weren't smart enough to heed my warning, don't deserve to live.
You gotta be kidding me!
You know what? Since you're going to die anyway, I might as well tell you something. The two Saiyans I mentioned earlier, they're even more powerful than me.
If you've got a new attack hidden up your sleeve, now's the time to use it, Goku!
Sorry. I'm fresh out.
Huh. Lucky for you, I actually came up with a new technique while I was training.
Really?
A plan? Ha! It'd be easier just to lie down and wait for the sweet release of death.
I'm just gonna need enough time to charge up the proper energy for it. Gonna need you to keep him busy while I deal with this.
Got it. I'll do what I can.
Hope you're ready for this. Special Beam Cannon!
Huh. You just don't know when to quit. You? Alone? What were you two trying to decide who gets to die first?
We ain't planning on losing. Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Rock, paper, scissors! Rock! Try this! Here goes! Try this!
Playtime's over! Farewell!
Try this! Here goes! Here goes! My power! Don't worry, Gohan. Daddy's got faith.
Are you actually that stupid? No one can save you! You'll be long dead before that could happen!
Try this! Take this! Here
No
goes!
way! No way! This game ends now.
Take this! Try this! Here goes!
Playtime's over. Farewell.
Try this! Here goes! Try this! Here goes! This! Here goes!
This game ends now.
My power!
This game ends now.
This! Take this! Here goes! My power! Try Try this! Here
goes! Playtime's over! You alone? What were you two trying to decide who gets to die first?
We ain't planning on losing. You're tough. This!
No way!
Here goes! Take this! Here go! Try this!
No way!
Don't worry, Gohan. Daddy's gonna save you.
Are you actually that stupid? No one can save you! You'll be long dead before that could happen!
Try this! Try this!
This game ends now!
What's this? Take this!
No way!
Here goes!
This game ends now!
Here goes! My power! Take this!
No way!
Here goes!
This game ends now!
Take this! Take this! Here goes! My power!
Playtime's over! You alone? What were you two trying to decide who gets to die first?
We ain't planning on losing. You're tough.
Here goes! No way! No one can save you! You'll be long dead before that could happen!
Try this!
Here goes! No way!
Try this!
This game ends now.
Try this!
No way!
Try this! Here goes! Try this! Take this!
Here goes!
Take this!
No way!
Try this! Take this!
Here goes!
Try this! Here goes!
This game ends now. No way!
Here goes! Whoa! Try this! Here goes!
This game ends now. Playtime's over, you cocky
Here goes! My power!
His power level, it's 1330. He's focusing all of his power into his fingertips. Damn it! He's got that much control over his energy?
You let your guard down! And now I got your tail!
Damn it! When did you...
Good work, Goku. Hold on to that tail and don't let go no matter what.
Wait! Let me go! I'll leave this planet in peace!
Don't listen to him, Goku! He's trying to trick you!
Please, please, believe me, brother. I'm begging you, Kakarot. Don't do this to your only family! Ha! I can't believe you fell for it! You might actually be the dumbest guy I've ever met! Don't think I'm going to show you mercy just because you're my little brother. Yes! Yes, that's what I like to hear! It'll all be over soon! Don't get comfortable! You're next!
Damn, if I try to hit him now, he's just going to dodge it.
What is this kid? You're dead! Where did you get all this power?
Piccolo! Now's your chance!
Special beam cannon!
I can't believe that Kakarot would just throw away his own life.
You idiot. Trust me, Goku won't be dead for very long.
What?
Didn't you know? This planet is home to the Dragon Balls. They grant wishes. Absolutely any wish imaginable. Even bringing someone back from the dead.
Damn it. Well, my comrades will be happy to hear that. Everything you just said was transmitted to them on the other side of the universe. Once they've learned that I've died, they will come here.
How long until then? When will they... When do you think they'll get here?
A year. Just 1 year from now.
Damn it. 1 year before even stronger warriors arrive.
You two have no hope of beating them. Enjoy what little time you have left.
I see.
That's pretty much it.
Come on, Goku! Hang in there! It's not like you to give up so easily!
Krillin, you know, dying is a lot worse than I thought it would be.
Yeah, but don't you worry. We're gonna bring you back really soon! Goku! What the?
He's gone!
Interesting. I bet Kami has something to do with this.
Eh? Well, I guess we can put our minds at ease if Kami's involved.
You guys need to get the Dragon Balls. Kami doesn't possess the power needed to bring someone back to life. Also, Goku's kid will be coming with me for the time being.
What?
You're kidding, right? What are you gonna do with him?
With a little training and the right teacher, that kid could be capable of serious power. We're going to need all the power we can get before those 2 Saiyans show up in a year's time. Me training this little runt is our best shot to stand a chance. Once Goku's revived, tell him he'll get his son back and in better shape than he left him.
Meanwhile, on a planet far, far from Earth.
Raditz. The bastard went and got himself killed.
He always was an embarrassment. Still, I must admit, I'm very interested in these Dragon Balls. So they're capable of granting any wish? All right, let's go.
We're gonna bring Raditz back from the dead?
Don't make me laugh. We have no more use for that dead weight. We could wish for eternal youth, for immortality. Can you imagine it? Nothing could possibly stand in our way.
Sounds good to me. Count me in!
Invigorated by the prospect of attaining immortality with the Dragon Balls, the two Saiyans made their way to Earth.